Hello everyone, welcome to Take Over. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to learn about print function, variables and operator, which are the most important things should be learned before learning about coding. So what is print function? Print function is used to display as the output. We write print and then first parenthesis, and in double quote we write our output. Here you can see I have hello world. So when we click on run, it will show us hello world as the output. What is variables? Variables are some keywords, or they are just some names of the data that contain the value. What are operators? At the time of calculation or doing mathematics, we use plus, minus, multiplication, division. They all are the operators. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.